like talking today. What am I doing today? I'm doing a teal look. I'll insert a picture, but it's not going to come out like the picture because my skills aren't there yet. The Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. So I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to take this light orange brown color and I'm going to put that in my crease as a transition color. I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. I can't even see myself. This brown right here. I'm gonna use this brown to start deepening the crease. I'm going to use this chocolate brown right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. So go in with black. I kind of want to do my own thing now, so we're gonna like not follow the picture. Okay, so I just put a little point. I don't know, I just wanted to do that. I'm gonna go in with that blue. It's mad bright, but it's a teal. Once I get about right here, I'm gonna switch to the other side and go in with the darker teal, and I'm gonna take that and try to blend that. This is my first time working with glitter though. So this is the NYX Glitter Brilliance. So it's a teal color. And then I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. So now I'm going to take the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, I'm going to start doing my face. And I'm going to go into my Maybelline concealers. And I'm going to go into the orange color. Alright, for foundation, I'm going to use 2 because I want full coverage. So I'm going to use the NARS All Day Luminous. And I'm going to use the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay foundation. So I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I'm using that to set my under eyes, to set the concealer that I put there. So now that I have my lashes on and my lip color, it's just a liner and a lip gloss. And now I'm just going to apply Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. So this is the finished look. I like it. It's different. I don't usually go for colors, so I think I did good.
We got plenty more. Me and you tonight, yeah, it's just me and you. Just fun, oh. Baby, just fun, oh. For sure, oh. Yeah, you know how it go, oh yeah. Win. Stop chasing that bitch. If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby.
Hands like birds.
She got that licky sticky up, bet she get some licky up, little bitty up, bustle up a titty up. She got M's in the bank like yes indeed.
But if he can't fuck 3 times a night, peace. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you've got to. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same.
Do I even need you? Should I leave you? Do I gotta be you just to please you? Do I say I'm all good when I bleed you?